This is my income right now, and this will hopefully be my income in the future. Welcome to Road to 10K. I just found this out while editing the video. I went and watched an Iman Kaji video, and it turns out he has also a video titled similar. Well, it's a series too. It's Road to $1 billion. Well, it's a similar concept, but I actually invented this by myself. Okay, I didn't copy it from anyone. I just thought of it, and Iman thought of it too. But it's kind of different. So yeah, just wanted to tell you that. Right now, I'm starting something I wanted to do for a long time. Building my own income from scratch, with one goal in mind: 10K a month. No outside funding, no fancy setup, just me and a stubborn need to figure this out. I've been thinking about this for about a week already, so I kind of know what I want to do. But let past me explain it. Alright, so it's the first day of the challenge, March 1st, and I'm gonna learn Flutter. It's an app development framework, so yeah, I'm gonna go and do that now. So yeah, as you heard, I want to build an app, but there's one problem. I don't know how to build an app yet, so I need to learn the language, literally. And man, the first few days are rough. Procrastination hits hard. I feel lazy. Even installing the tools is a struggle. And I'm frustrated because I want to be making progress, but I simply can't. It's March 4th and I haven't done almost anything. I got it to work, but I still haven't learned anything because with exams coming up in a week, and honestly, I've just been lazy. So I'm gonna try and do something tomorrow, although I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. And then Thursday and Friday, I am gonna do something. Then on the weekend, I'm not gonna be home, so yeah, this is gonna be hard. And yeah, spoiler, that's kind of a recurring theme this month, but it's not always my fault. It's 7th of May and I'm going on vacation for the weekend, so I won't be able to learn Flutter the whole weekend, but I'm excited. Family plans come out of nowhere. I need up my whole time. I'm not bad, it was actually a great time, but that weekend was supposed to be when I actually work and get stuff done before exam week. Perfect timing. It's March 11th and I'm right in the middle of my exam week, so I'm kind of swamped, but I did get some hours of learning, and I came the day before yesterday from vacation, so yeah, I'm kind of overwhelmed, but I got something done. I learned a little bit. Let me be honest with you, anyway. I think a little bit is generous. The first half of the month was basically a productivity graveyard, but something shifts around the halfway mark. Maybe it's good, maybe it's the looming deadline, but I actually start to make some progress. It's currently 18th of March and I'm learning this programming language. I've gotten quite good, but I still need to improve in some stuff. So I'll finish the course I'm having. I might be finished by the end of the week. Then next week I will be on a school trip, and then I'm gonna probably start on my application. Still, I'm far from fluent. Understanding code? Yeah, I got that. But actually writing it? Still a long way to go. And then, of course, another trip. This time, it's a school trip to Andorra. I see the snow for the first time in 5 years. And I also learned to ski. It was amazing. But it's up a few days. Alright, so it's 29th of May. It's currently 10 a.m. And I'm gonna try and get as much work done as possible. I'm gonna try to complete the course. Because of a trip, exams week, I haven't been able to do a lot. So I'm gonna try and at least finish the course, and then next month I'm gonna try and start making the app. I hope to get it done by May, so by ending of May I hope to get it done. Finally, we're being a little more realistic here. Finishing the masterclass before the end of the month, it's possible. But possible doesn't mean it's gonna happen. Alright, time for the big reveal. It's 31st of March and it's currently 8:27 p.m. and I'm not finishing the course. I'm on the, I'm on the 65th lesson, and there's 83 plus some additional lessons. So yeah, I'm not finishing this course, this masterclass this month, but hopefully this week. Today's Monday, so I hope by Sunday I finish, then I can actually start developing the app, and hopefully I finish it next month. So this month, yeah, I got $0 in revenue. What a surprise, I wasn't even expecting anything. And next month I'll probably get also 0 in revenue, but well, I hope at least something. So yeah, $0 in revenue. Not exactly a shocker, as I spent half the month not doing anything, and the other half I was learning the fundamentals and the basics to actually start getting money. And you know what? I'm not even mad, because I did something most people don't. I started. I made a little bit of progress, sure, but I did something. I started learning. By the end of the month, I've almost learned a whole new programming language, and that's pretty big in my opinion. Still, there's still a lot I could have done better. Procrastination was a killer, especially in the beginning of the month. I told myself I had time, that I'd do things tomorrow, but tomorrow came and went, and suddenly half the month was gone. So yeah, month 1 wasn't exactly a success story. I didn't launch anything, I didn't make money, but this isn't the highlight reel, this is the real journey. And if you've ever built something from scratch, you know this is the hardest part, the messy, uncertain, and hard beginning. But this is where the real growth happens. Next month, I'm locking in. I'm gonna finish the masterclass and start building the first version of the app. And maybe, just maybe, even if it's just a couple bucks, start earning money. This is a long game, but I'm in it. Thanks for being here. If you're on your own journey, hope this makes you feel a little less lonely. Month 1 is done. On to the next one.